Hello everyone, welcome back to Positive Energy. If you're using Windows 7 and every time you start your computer you see this Adobe Acrobat Reader error, the procedure entry point WinHttpWebSocketCompleteUpgrade could not be located in the Dynamic Link Library WINHTTP.dll. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly and easily. This error usually appears every time you start a computer. It happens because your current version of Adobe Reader may not be fully compatible with your system files in Windows 7, especially the WINHTTP.dll file. The good news? The issue has already been fixed in the latest build of Acrobat and Reader. Let's fix it step by step. Open Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on the menu button, top left. Go to Help. Click on Check for updates. Now wait while it searches for updates. If updates are available, click Download and install updates. Let the installation complete. After installation, restart Adobe Reader. Restart your computer. This should resolve the WINHTTP.dll startup error. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Positive Energy for more simple and helpful tech solutions. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.